Supermodel and actress Cara Delevingne has taken her fortune to £100 million at the age of just 29. Her family's property firm, of which she is a director, has soared in value by £5.5 million to £46.9 million in a year. 2. Cara Delevingne has a fortune of £100 million at the age of just 29. Credit, Getty. 2. Cara's family's property firm, of which she is a director, has soared in value by £5.5 million to £46.9 million in a year. She has £47.6 million in Cara Company, which she uses to handle K from modeling, acting and endorsements. That takes her to £94.5 million, making her one of the richest young British celebrities. And Cara's lucrative screen roles should push her over £100 million before her 30th birthday in August. Cara is wealthier than 28-year-old X1D star Harry Styles, £80 million, and 26-year-old singer Dua Lipa, £43 million. But Ed Sheeran, 31, is ahead of her on £236 million. The daughter of property developer Charles and stylist Pandora, Cara started modeling at 10. Last year she launched a premium Prosecco company named Delevingne with sisters Poppy, 35, and Chloe, 36. Deals with Puma, Burberry, H&M and Dior have made her millions. And she will soon star in movie Tell It Like a Woman plus US comedy Only Murders in the Building. But in 2020 Cara warned, money is not everything. You get to the point where you're like, oh, I've made money but I'm so deeply unhappy and alone.